Okay, let's see how this works. I got it hooked up to the, whatever you call this, cantilever beam. It's all plugged into that same mess I'll show you in a minute. But I haven't unplugged the load cell from the other thing, so see if it's squirrely or not. But if I hold this down, you see the screw heads. If it was screwed to the table, oops. If it was screwed to the table, then it would resist me better. But here's the servo. Now if I hold this down with my thumb and I push down over here with my finger, you can see it turning. Now if I lift up, it goes the other way. Actually, maybe I'll turn it this way so you can see it. So that's pushing down, and then this is pushing up. So anyway, it works. Okay, bye. And it's all with this load cell, the cantilever beam, and hooked up to this STM32 board and the HX711. Again, this is plugged in, but I'm not really using it. If I did, let's see if it still works. Yeah, that still works. So anyway, they're both plugged into the same thing, but this one works. All right, bye.